From the costliest highway undertaking in the United States to Japan's airport located on an island and China's remarkably prosperous railroad, we present 5 of the most exorbitant construction ventures ever executed. Considering these projects, I'm curious to know which construction endeavor in your country had the most significant influence. Number 5. The new Suez Canal. Number 4. The Channel Tunnel. When discussing costly transportation projects at sea, it is challenging to overlook the Channel Tunnel, which links England and France through the English Channel. This remarkable tunnel accommodates high-speed railways and stretches over 50 kilometers beneath the sea, holding the distinction of being the world's longest undersea tunnel. The concept of an undersea tunnel connecting France and Britain dates back to the early 1800s. However, due to technological limitations and political unrest, it took almost 2 centuries to materialize. In 1987, drilling commenced on the British side, followed by France initiating construction approximately a year later. The most arduous task was ensuring that the 2 sides would successfully meet. Special lasers and surveying equipment were employed for this purpose. It was indeed a tremendous relief when they finally met on December 1, 1990. Marking the historic connection between Britain and France. The entire project was completed 6 years after commencing, with a total cost of $12 billion. In recognition of its remarkable achievements in civil engineering, it was designated as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Undoubtedly, the Channel Tunnel is an expensive endeavor. However, it is worth noting that another tunnel across the continent ended up surpassing its cost. Number 3. Boston's Big Dig. Approved in 1987, the Big Dig project aimed to replace Boston's outdated Central Artery Road due to severe traffic congestion. Construction began in 1991, but encountered challenges such as environmental concerns, subway tracks, and unexpected archaeological discoveries. The project, initially estimated at $2.8 billion, experienced a cost surge and a 9-year delay, with a total cost projected to reach $22 billion by 2038. Despite these obstacles, the Big Dig successfully improved traffic flow, accommodating over 250,000 vehicles daily and enhancing cross-city access. Additionally, it contributed to reduced carbon monoxide levels, improving the quality of life for Boston residents. The removal of the elevated highway also opened up nearly 300 acres of land for green projects, parks, and open spaces. However, some argue that congestion has merely shifted to other areas, indicating that traffic issues persist in the city. Number 2. Kansai International Airport. Shifting our focus away from tunnels, let us explore Japan's Kansai region and delve into the world's first airport constructed on an artificial island. Kansai International Airport is renowned as one of the busiest airports in Asia, capable of operating 24 hours a day due to its secluded location. When the idea for this offshore airport was approved, the designated construction site did not exist. Therefore, the initial step involved creating an artificial island suitable for a world-class airport. Construction work on this man-made island and future airport site began in 1987. It involved crushing 3 mountains to generate a 30-meter layer of earth, which was then poured onto the seabed using thousands of heavy sand pipes. The result was an artificial island measuring 4.5 kilometers in length and 2.5 kilometers in width, completed in 1990. The airport itself was finished 4 years later and officially opened in 1994, following modifications, repairs, and the addition of a second runway. However, the overall costs escalated to $24 billion. Despite the substantial expenses, the unique location and engineering innovation of Kansai International Airport made it an instant success. In 2019, more than 28 million passengers utilized the airport, securing its position as the 3rd busiest in Japan, trailing behind Tokyo Airport and Narita International Airport. However, it still falls significantly short of Beijing's Capital International Airport, which surpassed the 100 million passenger mark during the same year. Recognizing the need for expansion, ongoing projects aim to accommodate 40 million international passengers annually at Kansai International Airport by 2025. While considering the most expensive transit projects, the Kansai International Airport undoubtedly claims a prominent position. Number 1. The Beijing-Shanghai. The high-speed railway takes the top spot as the most remarkable project. This rail line significantly reduced travel time by more than half and was astonishingly completed within a mere 3 years. Spanning 1,320 kilometers, the railway was constructed for $40 billion and opened to the public in 2011. Over the first decade of operation, the railway served an impressive 1.3 billion individuals. Each day, 41 bullet trains depart from Beijing, reaching speeds close to kilometers per hour as they travel southwards to Jinan, passing through Nanjing, and ultimately arriving in Shanghai in approximately 5 hours. Before the introduction of this high-speed railway, the same journey took around 12 to 14 hours. In 2019 alone, the rail line transported over 210 million passengers, with peak daily ridership reaching 798,000 passengers. Despite utilizing over $40 billion in taxpayer funds, the project proved to be a resounding success. While many of China's high-speed trains operate at a loss or rely on subsidies, the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway achieved remarkable financial performance. In 2015, it generated close to $1 billion in revenue, with net profits increasing up to 40% annually until 2019. The railway's success even led to its debut on the Shanghai Stock Exchange in January 2020, following one of the largest initial public offerings in Chinese history, raising approximately $4.5 billion by selling over 6 billion shares on the first day. This project, recognized as the most expensive transit mega-project in history, remained profitable even during the pandemic. It continues to be hailed as the most profitable railroad line globally. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new videos. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and we'll see you in the next video.